Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's explore IKEA Kuwait living room sofa setup ideas for 2026. If you're planning to refresh your living room or looking for modern sofa inspiration, this video is for you. First, let's talk about small living rooms. IKEA offers compact sofas and sectional designs that fit perfectly in limited spaces. Placing the sofa against the wall and using light-colored cushions helps make the room feel open and bright. For medium-sized living rooms, L-shaped sofas are a great choice. They create a cozy seating area while leaving enough space to move freely. Pair your sofa with a simple coffee table and a soft rug to complete the look. Now, for large living rooms, IKEA modular sofas are perfect. You can customize the layout based on your space and lifestyle. Adding accent chairs and side tables creates a balanced and stylish setup. Don't forget about storage and decor. Use IKEA side tables, lamps, and wall shelves to enhance the sofa area without cluttering the room. In 2026, the trend is all about comfort, functionality, and clean design. Neutral colors, soft fabrics, and smart layouts make your living room feel warm and inviting. If you enjoyed these IKEA Kuwait sofa setup ideas, please like, share, and subscribe for more home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.